Welcome to the Gizmo Breaker channel. My name is Oscar and I'll be your Gizmo Breaker today. Today we're going to be breaking the Apsc sensor and how to clean it. Let's go. Alright, and welcome to the next episode of how to do stuff to your cameras. Get them back working at their peak efficiency, peak ability. Today we're going to be cleaning the sensor on this Alpha 6400. It looks a little spotty. Not sure if the cameras pick this up. Let's see. It's hard to catch it. But believe me, I can see some spots, some like light, like if there's lint on there or something. So, first thing we want to do, take a little air piece, hold it upside down, blow out whatever's in there. Okay, then we're going to take our handy dandy sensor cleaning kit, and we're going to use one of these swabs here. I'm going to use one of these swabs with the solution. Okay, and we are going to take this out here. Okay, and the directions say drip sensor cleaner onto sensor swab. Form the swab to a 60-degree with sensor surface and gently drag away one side to the other. Reverse the sensor swab to repeat the above operation. And it also says on here, choose an indoor environment with less dust, blah blah blah. Cleaning position, use air blower. 1 to 2 drops of VSGO. So 1 to 2 drops of this stuff. And here, I'd like to save that. What we'll do, let's go 1, 2. Okay, not sure if you can see that, but it's kind of wet. Dips wet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you let air dry for 10 seconds, and we're going to swab this way, and then swab this way. And that looks better. But I can still see some stuff on there. So, I guess it was dustier than I thought. Or dirtier than I thought. So what I'm going to do, take another swab and repeat the process. Brand new swab, clean swab. So we don't want to use the previous swab because it already has dirt on it, and we do not want to rub that dirt into the sensor itself. So I'm going to focus pressure on the my left side, or the top side of the sensor. That's where it was most. That looks much better. Okay, I'm happier with that result. And sometimes that happens. Now, see if you can't tell. the sensor is much cleaner. I can definitely see a difference, and that will maximize our picture quality. All right, thank you very much.